The Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board, JAMB, has officially announced the registration details for the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, UTME. According to Professor Ishaq Oloyede, JAMB Registrar, the registration will commence on January 31st and end on March 5th, 2025. Key registration details is as follows. Registration starts on January 31st, 2025. Registration ends on March 5th, 2025. Actual registration end date, March 8th, 2025. Mock UTME registration deadline, February 23rd, 2025. Mock UTME date, April 5th, 2025. Main UTME dates, April 25th to May 5th, 2025. Age limit and mock trial test. JAMB will enforce a 16-year-old limit for the 2025 UTME registration. However, gifted candidates below the age of 15 can still register, but they must score at least 280 marks in the UTME and excel in the senior secondary certificate and post-UTME exams. Registration cost and categories. The cost of registration varies, with 4 categories of EP based on candidates' interest and financial capabilities. Mock only trial testing for underage candidates, 3,500. Direct entry application, 5,700. UTME only without mock UTME, 7,200. UTME with mock UTME, 8,700. Breakdown of application documents. UTME/DE JAMB application fee is 3,500. Reading test, Lekki Headmaster, 1,000 naira. CBT Center registration service charge, 700 naira. CBT Center UTME service charge, 1,500 naira. CBT mock service charge, 1,500 naira. Bank charges, 500 naira. CBT mock UTME center charge is 1,500 naira. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget that intensive tutorial for 2025 UTME and SSE is currently in progress at Akai Tutors Ile-Ife. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Akai Tutors on 08038644328. Thank you.